Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Galactic, Goofs, and Interstellar Fails, the only show where the universe sends you a text message and you drop your phone out of fear. Today's episode, the cosmic signal that had scientists panicking. That's right, you ever get a weird call at 3 a.m. and just know your life's about to get weird? Imagine that, but the whole planet's on the line.
So buckle up, put on your tinfoil hats, and get ready to laugh at geniuses losing their minds over a beep from the cosmos.
Let's meet the squad. Dr. Simmons, king of the telescope, he hasn't slept since Pluto got downgraded. Dr. Wu, the data queen, her spreadsheets have spreadsheets. And of course, Chad, the intern who once tried to tune the radio array with Spotify. It's a regular night at the observatory. Stars are twinkling, coffee's flowing, and the only thing anyone's expecting is a rerun of reruns, until the computers go nuts. Suddenly, the big screen flashes red, sirens blare, the telescope's picking up a signal nobody's ever seen before. Not just a random blip. This is a pattern, regular, repeating, like Morse code for pay attention, fools.
Simmons? You seeing this?
Oh my God, that's not natural.
Chad's over in the corner. Yo, is this like when my Bluetooth connects by itself? Mission control goes from 0 to DEFCON 1. Dr. Simmons spills his coffee, Dr. Wu's typing so fast she might set her keyboard on fire, and Chad's trying to live stream the moment on TikTok.
It's repeating, Simmons. Every 13 seconds. What does it mean?
Did we just get butt dialed by the universe?
They call in every big brain they know. MIT, NASA, the guy who fixed the vending machine once. Everybody's looking at the data and no one's saying glitch. Even the conspiracy theorists are like, yo, this one's weird. Theories start flying.
It could be a pulsar. But why this pattern?
Alien beacon. It's gotta be. They're saying hi.
Maybe it's just space Wi-Fi. Password, star stuff.
The phones blow up. CNN's live on scene. Fox News is interviewing a guy in a homemade spacesuit. BuzzFeed's posting 17 ways to tell if an alien is texting you. Social media loses its collective mind.
Aliens are calling! Take me with you!
It's just microwave popcorn, y'all. Wake up!
I, for one, welcome our cosmic overlords.
Memes explode. Cartoon alien, you up? Dr. Simmons with wild hair. It's never a drill. Chad starts a TikTok series, aliens sliding into our DMs. Now the government's involved. Black cars pull up. Men in suits, the whole X-Files routine. Who knows about this? Can we keep it quiet? Do we need to call Will Smith? Dr. Wu, I just wanted to map radio sources, not start an interstellar incident. Do I still get paid overtime? The team is glued to the screen. The pattern keeps repeating. Now it's shifting. Beep, beep, boop. Beep, beep, boop. It's like the universe is playing Simon Says. Dr. Simmons, it's a code. I know it's a code. Should we respond? Send a thumbs up emoji. They try to decode it. They try prime numbers, pi, hello world, everything. Nothing makes sense. The press is demanding answers. The team is running on Red Bull and existential dread. NASA holds a press conference. Reporters everywhere. Microphones, cameras, Twitter threads.
At this time, we have detected a repeating signal from deep space. Its origin is uncertain.
Is it aliens?
We can't rule it out. But let's not panic yet.
Can I say hi? Days pass. The signal doesn't stop. It gets stronger. Now it's showing up on every telescope worldwide. You can't hide this. The world is watching. People are wearing tinfoil hats to work. Chad's selling I Survived the Cosmic Signal t-shirts. Theories get crazier. Alien countdown. Secret government project. Space whales learning to text. Fox News runs a poll. Are aliens real? 54% say only if they vote. Then out of nowhere, Dr. Wu notices something.
Wait, this pattern matches the signature of an old Soviet satellite.
Like
from the 70s.
You mean
Dr. Simmons,
we're
you
being
mean
haunted by space junk?
They dig into the records. The frequency matches an abandoned, tumbling hunk of metal that just happened to start broadcasting again. That's right, the universe wasn't calling. It was just a 50-year-old Russian satellite with a battery problem. NASA updates the press.
Turns out the cosmic signal was caused by a malfunctioning satellite.
Not aliens, not the end times. The world's size. Still waiting for my ride. Told you so.
Well, at least we're not alone in being embarrassed.
Next time, I'm just mapping quasars.
Can I still sell the t-shirts?
So what did we learn, folks? Don't panic until you check for old Russian satellites.
The universe might be talking, but it's probably just static.
Science is messy and hilarious. Always let Dr. Wu check the data before you call the president. Chad should never be in charge of radio equipment or t-shirt sales.
If you loved this tale of cosmic confusion, smash that like button like you're shutting down a rogue satellite.
Subscribe for more interstellar idiocy and ring that bell so you never miss a galactic goof.
And remember, sometimes the universe is just pocket dialing you, and sometimes it's just Chad's playlist.
Host Dabs pretends to tune a radio and moonwalks off as beeping sounds play.
Cut. It keeps sliding off.
Wait, I was reading the wrong frequency.